Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, choose Profile and Tagging so you reach tagging controls fast. Once there, turn on the option to review posts you are tagged in. This stops tags from appearing without your approval and gives you immediate control. Make sure you set both review posts you're tagged in and review tags people add to your posts so you catch tags before they show up to others. Once review is enabled, dive deeper into who can tag you and who sees tagged content. Change the audience for posts you're tagged in Select Friends or Only Me to narrow visibility. Also tweak tag suggestions and who can post on your profile to reduce unwanted tags. While reviewing, remove any existing tags you don't want and untag yourself from photos or posts. This prevents future resharing with your name attached. To finish, verify your tagging settings on both mobile and desktop so changes apply everywhere. If someone keeps tagging you despite controls, remove the tag, message them to stop, and if needed, report or block repeat offenders to enforce your preference. If tags unexpectedly still appear, clear app cache or update Facebook, then recheck review settings. Sometimes stale app data prevents changes from taking effect. Finally, periodically audit your profile to catch any slips and maintain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.